Hello everyone, we're back. Cooking tips with G-Rod. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Let's build a wall and let's celebrate the holiday. I'm gonna go on the same day. Very quick recipe, an avocado dressing. All you need is a nice firm avocado. You want it soft, okay? You don't want it too soft because it's probably gonna be brown in the middle. This would be like your perfect avocado. Right, Jen? Wouldn't this be your perfect avocado?
Yep.
There you go.
Are you making a video?
Yes, I am, Jen. Yes, I am. Okay. So we scoop out the avocado. My lovely assistant, Jen Clapp. Say hello.
You have a lot of fans.
I do. Ever-growing fan base, Jen. Ever-growing fan base.
James Beck's party, that's all I wanted to talk about.
Okay, make sure we get the pit out. Then it's a half a cup of cilantro. You can use the stems, throw them all in, it doesn't matter. It's one avocado, half a cup of cilantro, a half a cup of olive oil, and you're using a half a cup of water to thin it out, because you don't want it too thick. And you're going to be using salt and pepper just to taste. And then you put it in. Then you put it into the food processor. Let it run. And whammo, you got your dressing. That's how quickly you can make this. Avocado, olive oil, water, cilantro, salt and pepper. You can't go wrong. We'll be offering this all day at the gathering today. If you want to have a Cobb salad, a buckwheat salad, the avocado dressing will go well with it. Okay, once it ends, we'll show you our finished product. This is the consistency you're looking for. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy your Cinco de Mayo, and hope to see you all soon.